Hi, and good morning everyone. Today I want to talk about introduction of Magic Mud experiment. Magic Mud is a suspension of starch in water that has the peculiar property of becoming a liquid when sitting or moving slowly, but solidifies once pressure is applied. What is really science behind it? The Magic Mud is a non-Newtonian fluid, which means substances reveals properties of both liquids and solid. The viscosity of a liquid usually varies with temperature, but Magic Mud's viscosity changes when pressure is applied. In terms of chemistry, this happens as when a certain amount of pressure is applied to the mixture, the large starch molecules become intertwined and are unable to move freely through each other. However, the molecules untangle and flow freely once they've been released. Another theory is that the starch molecules obtain electrical charges while they rub together. The faster they rub, the greater electrical attraction between the molecules formed. Viscosity rises as a result of this experiment. Thank you.
Hello, for this experiment we need potatoes, knife, big bowl, peeler, big spoon, strainer, water and kettle. So, the first step is the potatoes were prepared by chopping them up into smaller pieces by using a knife. There is no minimum and maximum amount of potatoes. Peeled or unpeeled potatoes would be fine. So, get the water to boil. About 6 cups of water was heated in a kettle. Check to see if there's enough water to cover the chopped potatoes. More water will be added later on if required. The boiled water was poured over the chopped potatoes. The potatoes were stirred in the water using a big spoon, and the potatoes stirred constantly for 2 minutes. The changes in the water color to cloudy was noticed. Now the potatoes were drained by using a strainer. The water was kept aside for 10 minutes and the potatoes can be discarded.
After 10 minutes the mixture was broken into 2 layers. The bottom white layer is the starch. Potato starch is the white layer you are left with. It is similar to cornstarch. When you try to shape the goop, it's solid at first then becomes liquid when pressure added.
So the conclusion for this experiment, Magic Mud is a colloid substance. A colloid substance is a heterogeneous mixture, meaning that the various components do not dissolve in each other as salt and waters do, but rather remain separated like sand in water. Individual particles in colloids are so small that they cannot be seen and remain suspended, giving the impression that the mixture is homogeneous all the same. In the magical mud, the cornstarch particles are suspended in water. If you pour it slowly enough, the water will flow normally and will pick up the cornstarch particles. The cornstarch particles do not have enough time to move out of the way if you hit or move the magic mud too fast, and it acts like a solid.